Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a Google Ads account for your e-commerce store. First, search for Google Ads on Google. The top result will bring you to the starting page. Note that you're greeted here with an offer. This will differ by country. For the USA, they also show additional offers if you scroll down. These offers say that if you spend a certain amount within your first 60 days of creating this account, you'll get credit for further advertising. Go ahead and read each one and select the one you want. Then click Start Now or Claim Now to begin. If you haven't already signed in with your Gmail or Gmail associated account, you'll be prompted to do it here. After loading up, you're greeted with a list of the steps Google will try to force you to do during the setup. We're only concerned with creating the account and not a Performance Max campaign, which may not be right for our store. Let's click Create your first campaign just to clear this box. Now we enter our store's name. This is your store's trade name, otherwise known as your doing business as name. You don't need to enter your business legal name here. And next, add our store's web address here and click Next. In this next step, Google sees that I have a Merchant Center account already associated with the email that I signed in with. Don't worry if you don't see this. We cover how to create a Merchant Center account and link it within the next few videos of this course. Let's click Skip. Now we're in the stage of the process where Google wants us to immediately create a campaign type. I don't recommend doing this because it doesn't offer a choice for your campaign type. It's trying to get us to set up a Performance Max campaign, which is not what we want. So let's hit Skip. Now it's offering us a search or video campaign, which again, we don't want. Skip. And we'll confirm by clicking Leave Campaign Creation. On this page, we're going to confirm our billing country, time zone, and the currency we will pay Google in. These settings cannot be changed once you're done here, so be sure. Let's click Continue. And finally, Google now requires that a verified payment method be added to your account for its setup. This is a relatively new requirement and it's not one that will allow you to skip. So I'll just add a credit card here. In the US, it will charge your card $50, which it will refund within a week. Okay, at the bottom here, Google is asking us if we want personalized guidance from one of their experts. Now, I have several videos worth of advice and my opinions regarding these experts, but I'll keep this to a short recommendation of selecting No and then Submit. Okay, our account is created. Once again, Google is trying to push the next steps on us here. If we want to click Next, it will provide instructions for installing a Google tag on your site. This can be helpful, but we're not going to do that right now. So let's just click this X and click I'll do this later. And one final page to go. Let's agree to turn on enhanced conversions. This basically gives Google legal permission to collect data on how shoppers behave on your website. This is necessary if you want to get the best out of Google's optimization, which is critical for scaling. Agree and continue to your account. And once again, confirm that we'll set up your Google tag later. And finally, we arrive at our account. That's how we create a Google Ads account for our e-commerce store. The next step is to set up conversion tracking so you can actually see what sales are being generated in your Google Ads account. I have a full tutorial showing exactly how to do this for your e-commerce store. I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below this video. Also, this video here is actually part of our free Google Shopping course. This is a free course that shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 100K per month in sales. It's completely free. I'll leave a link down below. Go and check that out. Also, if you're already generating over 20K per month in sales for your e-commerce store, my team and I, we scale dozens of stores every single month. We do Google Ads, Facebook ads, and conversion rate optimization. I'll leave a link down below. Book a time with my team and I. We'd love to talk with you about how we'll scale your store. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to click here for the next video in the free course, and I'll see you there.